You got the ideas, the vision, the passion, but when it's time to actually start, something happens. You freeze. You overthink, you overanalyze every possibility, you obsess over the best way to do it. And before you know it, another day passes, another week, another year, and the project still undone. Sounds familiar? This is called analysis paralysis. And if you don't recognize it and fight back, it will steal your creativity, your time, and your potential. Analysis paralysis is when you think so much about something that you never actually do it. It's when you overanalyze every option, afraid of making the wrong choice, until you make no choice at all. Creatives get trapped in this all the time, even I. Should I shoot with the natural light or strobes? Should I post this now or wait until it's perfect? Should I launch my project or keep tweaking? And in that hesitation, momentum dies. And the worst part, you feel productive while you're doing it. You convince yourself you're being careful, that you're just doing more research or waiting for the right moment. But deep down, you know the truth. You're stalling. The greatest artists, the most successful creatives, they don't wait for perfect conditions. They move before they feel ready. They understand that action leads to clarity, not the other way around. Here's the truth. You don't think your way to success. You act your way there. Creativity isn't about knowing the perfect next step. It's about finding it through action. You can read every book on photography, study every tutorial, plan out every detail, but if you never pick up the camera and shoot, none of it matters. Why do we get stuck in analysis paralysis? It's fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of making the wrong choice. Your brain is trying to protect you from embarrassment, from wasting time, from rejection. But in doing so, it's stopping you from even starting. Let me ask you this. What's actually worse? Making a wrong move or sitting in the same place, overthinking yourself into inaction? How do you escape the cycle of overthinking? Here are 3 things you can do today. If a decision takes less than 2 minutes, make it right now. Don't overthink it. Don't Google it. Just decide and move on. The small things aren't worth your mental energy. For bigger decisions, give yourself a deadline. I'll research for 24 hours, then I'll decide. If you don't, that research phase becomes an endless loop of hesitation. Let me tell you something. Perfection is a lie. The real creatives, they put out work even when it's not perfect because they know they'll learn more from doing than from waiting. Here's a rule to live by. If something is 80% ready, ship it. Post the photos, share the project. Put your work out there because guess what? No one else sees the flaws you obsess over. They just see your progress. Stop waiting for the perfect plan. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Just start. Make a move today. Any move, because progress begins with action. Comment below what's one thing you've been overthinking that you're going to take action on today. And then go do it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.